Making bread is really simple, and I'm going to show you how to do a different type of bread using yogurt. For this recipe I have to do a dough first and leave in the fridge 20 hours. For that I'm using 140 grams yogurt with 200 grams flour and 2 grams instant dry yeast. All you need to do is add the yeast and the yogurt into the flour and make a dough and leave it in the fridge 20 hours or even 2 days will be alright. I have this dough I prepared earlier. This was in the fridge about 20 hours and this is how it looks like. It's soft but not very soft, but it has risen a little bit. And these are the other ingredients for the bread. I'm using 1 egg, 10 grams sugar, 60 milliliters water, 2 grams salt and 3 grams instant dry yeast, 100 grams bread flour and the dough that we prepared 20 hours before. So let's start doing it. Into a mixing bowl with the dough hook attached, add the prepared dough 20 hours before and into that add the flour, then the sugar and the yeast. Add the salt and start mixing it until it combines with the flour. While mixing, add the egg, next add the water. When you are doing this recipe, if you are using an extra large egg, you need to be cautious. So add less water, or if it is runny, you can add more flour. The dough is ready after kneading about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm going to take this out. So after kneading about 10 minutes, it is like this. So I'm going to make a bowl out from that and put it in the same bowl and leave in a warm place to double in size. The dough is ready and punch it down. And I'm going to use this 5 by 9 inch loaf pan. Put some flour onto the bench, then put the dough onto the bench. Punch it down and make a log. Cut this log into 3 pieces. And after, press down, put a bit more flour on top and using a rolling pin, roll the dough to a rectangular shape. After, take the ends and tuck it in like this and press. And make sure to seal the ends nicely. And then press and put it in the tray like this. Let's do the next one. Put flour on both sides. Ends tuck in. And press and put it in the middle. Now cover this with a damp cloth and leave in a warm place again to double in size. The dough is double in size, so I'm going to put this in the oven, 180 Celsius in a fan forced oven or 200 Celsius in a normal oven, about 30 to 40 minutes or until golden brown on top. So the bread is ready and I baked about 40 minutes on 180 Celsius fan forced, and this is how it is. It's a really soft and a moist loaf, and if I open, Nice soft loaf that you can do whenever you have time. I sliced the bread and this is how it is. It's really soft and moist, and you can leave this outside about 3 days or in the fridge about a week, or even you can freeze the extras. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.